Wait, what's that? Like the bear, it looks like, look at it. It looks like the bear is lighting something up, like they're about to smoke a blunt.
Yeah, it does. Look, there's a bee over there.
And there's a bee. Oh, I kind of like that fly that was in your drink earlier. We represent nature. We get it. So it's Monday, didn't you know? It's girls' night. Girls' night. Woo!
We're the shit up in this bitch.
In the 805. Drunkaholics. Call it what you want to call it.
I'm a fucking alcoholic.
Where are my true alcoholics at? You already know.
Hey, hey, baby.
You know you want to kick it with us. Besides, we need a driver, so please come through. We have money. And anything else you And they got food, look. They look like this Just order here. Would you like a Coke with that?
I haven't laughed that hard in so long. Wow.
In case you didn't know, look, the nature thing, look, they go above and beyond. Look.
Oh my god.
What the fuck is that? It's a flying donkey. So we're gonna edit out the parts where we look stupid and keep the parts where we look cool.
I love stupid. I love stupid. Stupid is cool.
And stupid, yeah, ain't got shit on me. I had a talk
Crazy, beautiful.
Sexy, cool, young, fabulous, and broke. I mean broke, young, and fabulous. Either way, you just put your name and my number.
Just put your weight.
I mean your number and my name. You know what I'm saying.
Hey, where's your way up?
Now, dude.
It's okay. I like attention.
I don't mind.
Attention?
You should come with me to Chicago.
To Chicago.
Come to Monday. Hot Mess Mondays.
Monday.
Hot Mess Mondays.